Good morning guys! Ito ang ating first morning back in the UK. Napakagulo pa ng aking buhok. So, nag-breakfast na tayo. Ang aking baby ay tulog sa taas. Yan ang ating ate, watching TV. Galing na yan sa labas, naglaro-laro na sa garden. And then, nakapag-breakfast na tayo. Ang breakfast natin ay hash brown and fries. Nagluto ako. Pero bago yan, na ang mga bata. Nag-cereals na. So, they had some cereals, both. Then, ang aking panganay ay lumabas na. Nag-bike. So, na-surprise siya sa bike kasi hindi niya alam na may bike dito sa UK. Hindi namin sinabi ni Mr. So, hindi siya nag-expect. Pero sabi ni Mr. kahapon, open the shed. Pagbukas niya nga may bike, kaya siya ay tuwang-tuwa. And then, nag-ikot-ikot na yan. Ewan ko, na-flatan yata. Buti tong si Mr. may extrang interior na binili pa namin sa Southport. Kaya meron siyang pamalit. So, ayun sila sa shed, inaayos. Ang ating plants ay mukha namang okay. Itong orchids natin magka-flower ng bago, oh. So, ayan. Ito kailangan ko itong linisan sa labas. Para siyang may kuto. Parang may parasite. Ayan. So, lagasan ko yan sa labas. Ang ating kalamansi ay walang bunga. Paano kaya yan pabuhangin? Pabuhangin. Paano kaya siya pabungangin? Hindi ko alam ang nangyari dito sa ating daisy. Ito ba ay overwater or lack of water? Yan. Kasi binila ni Mr. ng ganyan, oh. Automatic irrigator ba? Irrigation. Ito ay okay naman. Yan. Ang ating mga plants ay yung iba parang namatay na. Parang natabunan. Parang naging crowded sila. But anyway, ang ganda ng ating flowers. Ang laki ng aking dahlia. Di ko in-expect na yan, purple na yan. Punta tayo sa labas. Uy, lamig. So, ayan yung aking mga tinanim na bulb sa aking vlog. Flowers na sila. Ang lamig. Itong dahlia natin, sobrang laki niya, oh guys. Yan. Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang laki pala niya. Maganda yan ilagay sa vase. Sobrang laki nitong white. Hindi siya nadidiligan ng ilang araw. Kaya parang nagda-dry na itong white. Pang base talaga to. Ito yung aking rose na binili nung minsan. Sa aking vlog. Nasa vlog ko rin yan. Na halos mamatay-matay. Sobrang ganda niya na. Parang ito ay light pink. Pero nagwa-white siya. Pero ito, white talaga to. Yung rose na yan. Ang ganda, diba? Ito, panlalagay ko din yan sa vase. Yung mga yan. And then, ito. Ang laki din ito. Dahlia. Yan. Diba? Ang laki eh. So nice. Buti hindi sila namatay. Ito, parang bago lang. Ano kayang color? Feeling ko orange din yan. Dahlia. And then, ito. Lalagay natin yan sa vase. At saka yan. Ito guys, alam ko talaga patatas lang ang tinanim ko dito. Bakit nagkaganyan sila? Ano kaya yan? Siguro patatas din yan. Ito yung ating blackberry. Kaya tayo dito. Lamig. Walang bunga. Parang nauunahan daw tayo ng bird, sabi ni Mr. Ito yung shed na binili ni Mr. Medyo malaki. Binuo niya na lang. Uy, it's so cold. I'm freezing. We have to tidy their bedrooms and put some of the stuffs in their bedroom to here, isn't it? Yeah. I haven't seen this. What's inside? Alam kung anong laman nitong ating lumang shed. Yung kanyang mga tools. So ayan. Dito nilagay ni Mr. yung bike. Mayak-yak yung aking anak nung makita niya eh. Ang ating baby guys ay ayaw umano sa walker. Sumakay. Parang naninibago siya. Tapos natunog-tunog pa. But anyway, a few days naman is masusubukan ulit yan. So hintayin ako pag-grocery pala kahapon. Which is dapat tayo mag-grocery. Nakatulog na ako. Sobrang pagod namin nga. But mamaya mag-grocery tayo. First grocery sa UK. Natin itsura ng mga bagets. Makapaglinis na tayo ng kusina ng kaunti. Malinis na lahat ng dede ng ating baby. And, pati itong aking mga plants dito. Pinunasan ko at inayos. But anyway, punta tayo sa labas. Nasa kaya yung gunting ko para sa ating halaman? Kaya nilagay na yan dito natin. Have you seen my scissor for the plants? Tayo kukuha ng mga flowers. We're gonna cut some flowers. Come on, Isay.
Sa kwarto ko tong pink.
Later. So, she's gonna cut some flowers. Ito muna, Dahlia. Come, cut mo dito.
Yung cute.
Here. Dito.
Oh.
That's it. Ito to. Dito.
Ito po.
Yeah. So, ay!
Ganda.
So, have to look at that. They're nice.
I-design ko sa cabinet.
Get some white.
White. Tubo po ulit yan po, di ba?
That's it. Yan lang muna. So, we have flowers.
Pink and orange gusto ko.
Later na, wala ka pang base. Later, later. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. Para magkaroon tayo ng flowers. Tapos, ipupurun ko tong aking hydrangea, oh. Kasi medyo na-dry sila. I'll do that later. Do the pink later. Nice, isn't it? Flowers.
Okay.
Transfer natin itong ating. Sara mo yan daw. Flowers. Nice. Ang dahlia natin, oh. Para magkabuhay itong ating kitchen. Napaiksi pa nga yung cut mo ngayon. Ito wala na ito. Dry na.
Pangit. Lalagyan niyo po ng tubig.
Pretty. Oops. Cute. Wow. It's pretty.
Ito lahat.
Okay na yan. Say, okay na yan. Okay.
By one.
Have you seen my flowers? It's pretty. Isn't it? Wash ko tong ating orchids dahil ang daming kuto. Ang daming kuto, oh. Ay. Ay! Namin yung white. Lalabas tayo, guys. Tayo mag-grocery and bibili ng ibang kailangan.
Wait lang, mama.
Where are you going?
Nalilito ako.
Cookie.
We're going! Malaki ng tiyan. I'm so hungry. Where is it? You took it.
Yeah.
No.
Take a bite, mama.
No, I have some.
Oh, you thought I stole on your Freddo.
It's so hot. We're going for grocery and some stuff, isn't it? We have no water.
Seat belt.
Put it belt also. Ball. Don't kill the ball.
Ano po cola? Ay, pink?
Pink.
Kanina pa yan dyan eh. Dyan kami
Go! First day in UK.
Mama, di ba po dyan sa diretsong yan? Sa left nun. Dyan kami naglalaro.
Doon nga. Kaya marami
Ayun sila ma. Oh, ayun sila. Sila to.
Lilit na kalog.
Matangka din po yun, yung 11. Dito, yung ano.
We're gonna look for something.
In a
To have some a little. Let's go.
Ayan,
Tingin tayo ng mga bagay-bagay. Hi! Toot toot!
Nothing.
Toot only. Ready for food. Come on. Ah. No!
Papahigit.
You got it.
Why doing that? Oops! Sorry. Why doing that? Ikaw ang videographer. Ayusin mo. What time is it? Ay, tingnan mo yung ano.
Is it Sunday today?
No, it's Tuesday.
Daan.
I think not open, is it?
I've rung the bell.
I think it's open now. The door won't.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oops.
have a look.
26, I've got the next one up, so 175 and 2.4. Yeah. Obviously the right diameter.
I think they are. I think that is it too expensive.
They're so expensive.
I think that one is better than this one.
Because what?
Because that one has better brakes.
Have what? Ito, mas mura. Ang mahal naman ng bike. Ito, say. Abot mo yan. Green. Yung red. Red, opo. 290. Sig mahal ng motor ng aking papa. Napakamahal. Tingin si Mr. ng bike. How tall are you, Dasay?
Oh, 4 foot. A bit.
Just right.
No drop in the top. Yeah, definitely don't want a small avalanche.
Should be fine, won't you?
No, definitely don't want a small avalanche.
Right. Do you want a different colour?
They have different color? What color do they have?
Don't think we've got much left to be fair, colour-wise, because the new one's now 625.
Or green?
I think there might be some of the black, the Dinster and red ones left, possibly.
So what is the available color? Green and green and green.
If we've got any with that one and that colour. Yeah, that's a hydraulic one.
Green for the green.
In perspective,
Green for the green.
just bought a scooter in
Very expensive inner tube. So we're gonna be collected on Friday ang bikes ko. Kaya pala hindi ako pumayag ng business class flight. It's gonna be really expensive. Go on.
Fortunately, we don't. So we could go in and out that way now.
Open now. Tapos ng ibang entrance and exit.
Kailan you're gonna fall? Gonna fell. Fall or fell?
Fall first. Fell past tense.
Right, Nash? No. No.
Pagsalangin mo yan.
And it goes in. Right there. You got it?
Yeah, no, the other way around.
Is it cold? So happy. My favorite. Grove City Market, supermarket. Lisa, ayan ang strawberries, oh. She wants strawberries. Mix match.
Why is there a hole?
Ganun talaga para makahinga sila. Grapes. She wants strawberries. You want some grapes? For work?
No, beautiful.
Let's get some ginger. Ay, ba't ganito ang onion garlic?
Oh.
Well done.
Too big. 11 to 12. Just right for her. Chicken. For lunch. 5.
Very little difference in price. So just going to outlet.
Okay. Wala namang papel ang una.
Mailikat mo sa akin.
Yeah, we can try this.
Ay, towel inside.
Ito ko.
Which towel do you use?
Ow!
This one. Yes.
And then,
May
kay Nash ay
sabi ng no. Kay kuya kaya ano?
Anong kulay ng towel ng gray? Ano? Ito na lang kayo. Only one left. Nakait pa yung kama. Isay for your face.
Get.
Plain lang, plain lang.
Oh, I'll go pink, pink, pink.
Mas gusto ko yun na
Ang mahal.
kasi light pink yung ayun. Tapos, ano din.
That's what you want.
Ganun din yung...
Single.
Ito na lang na.
Ba't yung kay kuya ang mura? Ba't yung sa'yo ang mahal? 12
Magkano
pounds.
po yung isa?
12. Tapos parang hindi ganun kaganda yung cloth niya.
Idea. It can either be green or grey.
That's not nice, isn't it? Ano lang pala to, Nash? Pang cover lang pala to, kumot lang to, tsaka isang
Ito po
uman.
akin yung green.
And what I'm thinking
Fitted.
is, why don't we leave it and go to Dunelm or Range?
No, get here for now. Get one here. Dunelm and so
Ito
expensive.
sa akin, ma.
Single?
Yes.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, so is that one in pink? Oh, she could have white.
For fitted, isn't it? This is nice. Ito, Nash, mabalik. Come here. Oh, ipis-apis niya.
What's wrong?
Please rush, take your items.
If you wake up, it's okay, but if you're not waking up, you don't want waking up.
Isay gilid, isay gilid.
Dami ko lang dito ang pro, mama.
Huh? Yes. A lot here. Come on, is Kiki. I think she's cold. Nagalamig na ata.
Iniisip ko man nakapark yung Kia natin dyan eh.
You forgotten? Padaan mo na. Let me pass through. You're hungry?
Angry? Yes, I am.
No, someone is first.
Yeah. Sorry.
What time is it, sister? Binalik mo yung ano na, cart?
Apa.
Sa'yo.
Ben.
Akin na yung pinagdedehan niya dyan.
Hey,
Wait.
Ah.
Represent.
silence. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Go ahead.
144.
Shopping.
Yeah, because you bought all the bedding and stuff.
Yeah.
And I thought,
They can start the bed, that bedding. It's good.
when did you last have ice cream?
Ang messy yung damit niya.
It's good na. When did you have the ice cream daw? Forgotten.
Maybe
Not too
when
much
we
boy.
walk Michaela outside.
Where was it?
Yeah, when we bought the.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. That's why you got a lot, isn't it? Even the got too much. Okay, we're going home. You can buy your sleeper next time.
We're not going to B&M. We'll look later.
Okay, after the next.
Since you just said you're starving.
I am. I'm sure they are too. You starving? You guys hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. I'm tired as fuck. Too much walking in
I
there.
can eat a whole cow.
Cow?
If it's English humour, then you can eat your mother.
Mom.
Think about that. I fancy one of these.
Which one? That one?
See,
Yeah,
that
the black
looks like
one.
Mr.
What
Bean.
is it?
Yeah.
Tesla.
A Tesla?
Oh, that is so.
I didn't see Tesla.
So
I thought you were talking about.
we have to decide. Stay with my lovely girl.
Because I don't want to sell it. It's still
And buy a motorbike for Nash, or not get
Oh.
motorbike for Nash and buy Tesla, which is the
Tesla.
choice.
Tesla. Yeah, you like Tesla. We're home. Kami natin pinamili. Ang laki na binayan namin ni Mr. Halos 100, parang 40 o 144 pound ang kanyang nabayaran. Anyway, dito siya, ano tayo? Parang hindi na namin kaya mag-shopping haul. Kasi we're so hungry. But I'll try. Pero magsasaing muna pala ako. Namili si Mr. na pizza. For 4 na klase, guys. Ay. Nakalimutan ko na kung ilan ang sinasaing.
Bait na mga tao.
Yeah. Let's put this first. Adopt ng chicken. Tayo ng chicken. Banana. Chicken lang. Beef, minced beef. Ham. And minced pork. Oh, you got 3 ice cream. Ang dami binili ni Mr. na ice cream. Akala niyo walang bukas. Many ice creams. Ano tayo nitong cabbage?
Is anything frozen in here?
Need to be
Don't think
frozen.
so. No.
I need the vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we've got everything for the freezer already.
Yeah. Can you? Okay. Yeah. What's that? What is that? What is this? May ano sana? Kasi Mr. bumili na naman ng juice. Put some juice again.
That was to milk up. Maybe for Michaela as well.
Okay. Try na.
So you mix it with water.
Broccoli.
Because look,
It's not ready yet. Yeah.
it's good.
We're gonna have this with the chicken. Bumili tayo ulit ng beetroot. I miss beetroot. Tomatoes. We got some beans. Flavors. Ginger. I don't really need the ginger here. Got some onion.
I think I need a new. We need this.
Huh? What's that one?
We need to get new.
New? Why? Ah, finished? No more?
Yeah. We don't have another.
Tayo ng carrots. Ang galing. Ang dami.
This one.
And then, cucumber.
Right, right.
Ano ka naman itong cucumber na to? This is so big.
What do you have to?
Tayo na. Corn. Banana. Diretso na natin sa ref. Ang mga dapat. Kasi, sige. Hintay din ang eggs. Strawberries.
Oh,
Sa ating ate, mahilig siya sa gusto niya ng strawberries. Nung nasa Pilipinas kami, gusto niya papabili. Sabi ko, wag na, dito na lang. Kasi ang pangat ng strawberries din. At least dito is fresh. O, ang ganda ng strawberries nila, diba? So, we're gonna have this as well. What happened in there? You want to try, Kayla? This is nice. I like it. You like it? Ay! She's pinching it. You're pinching it. You're pinching it. Nulim naman. Ay!
Oh! Hindi mo lang kasi sinawa. Binigay tuloy.
Hindi na masyadong nagsasalita.
Itong ating binili. Unan, 2 pillows for 12 pounds. 12, isn't it? Ay, they look nice. Nicer than the one we bought in Donel. Ang ganda ng unan. Isn't it? Ang ganda ng pillow. Do you know what it says? Mister, do you know what it says? 2 forever full pillows. Sabihin, hindi impes. That means it's nice. The 2 pillows. She's sleepy again. Open and close. Open and close. Close, open. You sleepy?
yes, but no.
Ano? Fitted. Stay there. You want to get my, we're gonna open the pillow. So we got fitted sheet, gray. Color gray. Para kay Kuya Nash. Sa aking panganay. So, sila ang pumili nito. So, it's nice. This look nice. Yan. Gray. And then, ang partner nito ay, ito, 2 bedsheet. Tsaka, how many pillowcase is this? One only?
Single bed, so only one.
Only one? I think this one. Ang ganda, Nash. Nice.
Oo nga po.
Ganda yung kanyang cloth. So, one. Lalabhan muna natin. And this. Natin.
6 minutes. It's catching.
It's nice. Paikutan ko na pa. Sabay ko na. Para ready na.